Divya here, back again with one more recipe. Generally, my recipes are based on some traditional or sometimes quite quick, easy recipes. So today I'm going with something which is very easy recipe. All of you must be knowing this Agase Soppu they call in Kannada, which is nothing but Agathe leaves. This is a very good nutritional one. It is very good for diabetes. It enhances your bone strength. It is good for your immunity, cancer prevent, they say. So it has lots of health benefits. So today I thought let me try with Agase Soppu. Now I am just doing a very simple one. First quickly we will remove all the leaves and keep it aside, wash it and keep it aside. And here I have taken your moong dal, the split moong dal. So I am going to boil it, but I'll be boiling it outside because I don't want it to get mushy. So I'm not going to put in the cooker. So I'll just see that, let it get 3/4 boiled, and then I will just start with that. So by that time, let me keep all these things ready and start off. Here I skip little. Let us continue with the process. This is my pan. I've just put some oil. I've just added some turmeric, some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some hing, red chilies, and one single tomato. Based on the quantity, you can increase your tomatoes. Now, this is basically done more at the Kartika Masam because they say it's very good at that particular time. And when you do for the festival season, you can skip onions and garlic. But today I just thought let me not do any onion and garlic. I've just washed the leaves and I'm just frying this. So let us leave it to fry little. I have not used onion or garlic. I have just used tomatoes. I have not used even ginger. So ginger, onion, garlic, tomato is optional. If you want, you can add it. Since the quantity is so less, I didn't want to add anything else and I wanted to make a simple dish. So I am doing that way. So I'll just leave it for 2 minutes to get fried. And if required, I'll just sprinkle little water to cook it. By the time my dal should be cooked, I'll just check on that. Getting fried, I'll just add little salt and some water. I'll sprinkle little water. Not adding much of salt, let me check. So this is what I'll just sprinkle little water. That's it. So let's just get cooked and then we'll see the next process. Getting cooked. At this point I want to add little tamarind because this has little bitter taste, very slightly. So I'll just put little tamarind, but again it's your optional. I'm putting tamarind. And coming to the spiciness, you can put green chili paste or red chili powder, that's up to you. Here I'm just going to put some green chili paste. So I have already the chili paste. I'm going to put little chili paste and little jaggery powder. I'm going to saute that. I'll allow it to fry for another 2-3 minutes. If you feel it is still little hard, the texture, then just pour little water and allow it to cook. I'll just pour little water. It's cooked. Only thing is that this Agase Soppu takes little time to get cooked and little bitter, but over a period of time you will really fall in love with this. You know, this dish was introduced to me by my mother-in-law and my husband. Initially first 2 times I never liked it because I felt the taste is quite different and we are not used to those type of leaves. But believe me, once you start eating it, you will fall in love with this, and it's one of the very healthiest leaf too. So let us put our, I just did little my own variation. Generally we don't add dal for this, but I just like somehow the dal also. So I make a lot of different variations. So I'll just allow it to, just fry little so that all the, flavors get infused in it. So here let me give it 5 minutes time and then I'll get back to it. According to me, the salt, the spice level, the tangy taste, everything is perfect. I somehow love lemon or tamarind in everything, or even amchur powder. I just try to include in all the dishes. Whatever I do, I like it to be little tangy. So here we go. I'll do the plating and we are done. It looks yum and it's very good with hot rice. So see you next in the next video. So till that time, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Hope you like our cooking. Bye bye.